Hi, hello, this is Abhishek Desai.
Hi Abhishek.
I'm good, sir. How are you?
Good, good, good. Ask me.
Sir, I just wanted to know you told about your story that you gave up the CEO life and you chose to be a social entrepreneur. Then there must be some pressure or there must be some obstacle which you have faced, like from the societal point of view. The people around you might have told you that why are you quitting? Like it's a Indian psychology that one should get a good job and one should get going with the things. So one thing I wanted to know that how did you cope up with that thinking of people around you, and how did you manage to overcome that thing? And secondly, sir, as an MBA student, I also do have certain ideas to start up with something new, but I do have a phobia of failure and what other people will say about me. So, what in how did you manage to overcome this thing also in your life?
Yeah, I would like to answer your second question first.
Yes.
Failure is inevitable. It is impossible to learn without mistake. Have you ever seen a child who has learned to walk without falling? Did you, Abhishek? Did you, Ravindra? Did I? No. Now look at the reaction of the parents when the child falls down for the first time when he tries to walk. अरे रे रे, very good, very good, very good. उठो 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 उठो. Right? अरे फिर से गिर गया. No problem. Come to me. I'm here. थोड़ा सा ही रह गया है. Am I right? ऐसा ही हुआ होता है. Now the problem, now they don't even look at it as a failure. Forget about mistake or failure. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. They take it as a stone towards a bigger thing called learning to walk. The problem comes when the child starts growing up and now is in fifth, sixth grade, and then पागल 2 times 2 4 होता है, समझ में नहीं आता है. क्लासरूम में क्या सो रहा था क्या तू? टीचर ने सिखाया नहीं? हाँ, प्रॉपर नाउन का फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल होना चाहिए. दिमाग में भूसा भरा है क्या तेरे? And then what happens? That the child starts thinking that making mistake is something dangerous, and so he stops taking risks, stops exploring things. Like, because now making mistake is dangerous, and that's why then creativity innovation फिर बंद हो जाती. So I think unfortunately the English language doesn't have a subtle version of the word failure. हम सबके लिए failure word use करते हैं. Sachin failed in that match, he failed in that marriage, he failed in that startup, he failed in TY.com. Why not start calling failing as falling? When somebody falls down, what is the immediate reaction? Oh, no problem. Try once again, get up. I'm with you. Right? I think maybe failing or falling दोनों सुनने में को भी सेम लग रहा है. So let's start using this word. Okay? Failure मतलब it is end of everything ऐसा एक feeling आता है. But falling is okay. तो सब लोग गिरते हैं. कोई बड़ी बात नहीं. Try again, get up. All right. I know इतना easy नहीं है, but for this approach helped me a lot. Okay, that did not create any guilt in me. I had 3 failed startups in a row. Okay, it was not so easy to digest this. Okay, but then I was falling, and the more number of times you fall down, yeah. But if I refuse to learn from a mistake, that's real failure. Then that is stupidity, right?
And Abhishek, what was your first question? Like,
Sir, it was like that. People in India, they do have a psychology that why you are leaving a good job, or like sir shifted from CA to being an social entrepreneur.
Right, right,
So
right,
the pressure that everyone gets, because it's something, sir, which every student in this phase of life faces, that he wants to do something of his own, but the people around them, they push them back. Ki, why are you going after this thing? You should secure your job or something like that. So how to manage that thing, sir? Or
yeah.
how to convince our parents for something new?
Got it, got
How
it.
did you manage it, sir?
Yeah, see, convincing your parents of your passion is very difficult, and I can empathize with the parents, the era from which they belong, where there was no internet, and they have no idea the world has changed. Any passion can be converted into profession or a mission. Like me, I'm a standing example of it. That who thought that reading can be one's purpose of life and a full-time profession. Reading, writing तो फिर भी समझ सकते हैं. Reading, I read for India. Right? So we have to try our best to convince them कि 2 साल मुझे दो भाई, 2 साल में करूंगा. Let's try to use education, our degrees. Like I used my CA degree as a springboard, as a cushion or a safety net to fall back if at all I fail in doing something that nobody has tried till now. और ये चौथा भी फेल होता तो शायद और 4-5 स्टार्टअप ट्राई करता, फिर हार मानता कि सीए की डिग्री तो है ही. मुंबई जैसे शहर में सीए को लाख रुपया पगार, नॉट अ बिग डील. सो लेट्स ट्राई टू यूज एजुकेशन दिस वे. बट एट द सेम टाइम डिग्री मिला मतलब एजुकेशन खत्म हुआ ऐसा नहीं है ना. टेल देम कि मैं ऐसा एजुकेशन शुरू कर रहा हूँ जिसमें मैं पूरी लाइफ टाइम गुजारना चाहता हूँ. दैट्स व्हाट आमिर खान टोल्ड his parents when he wanted to leave after 12th education, college छोड़ना चाहता था. I read his biography, doing it my way, I think. Yeah. And so parents said तू पहले तेरा पढ़ाई खत्म कर, फिर तुझे जो करना है कर. And the answer he gave to his parents कि मैं एजुकेशन रोक खत्म नहीं कर रहा हूँ, रोक नहीं रहा हूँ, मैं असली एजुकेशन शुरू कर रहा हूँ in cinematography and creative field where I'm going to spend the entire life. So education is not stopping. It could be informal education, formal education, doesn't matter, right? So try your best, Abhishek. Show them Three Idiots. बोलो कि अब्बा अगर मैं वाइल्ड लाइफ फोटोग्राफर बनूंगा तो शायद मेरी गाड़ी छोटी रहेगी पर मैं खुश रहूंगा. And which parents in this world don't want their children to see happy? Why? The reason why they want us to take the safe path and not the path which is least traveled is because they don't want us to see in pain. But unfortunately, strength comes by going through the pain, not by avoiding the pain. वो उनको नहीं समझेगा because parents are biologically wired not to see their children in pain, which is obvious. वो हमको अभी नहीं समझेगा. When we become parents, parents हमको समझेगा वो. Right? So it's passion versus parents. A game that we have to keep trying. कि ठीक है 2 साल ट्राई करते. I think 2 साल is enough to give it a try and try some multiple ideas. नहीं तो है ही, नौकरी तो कहाँ जा रही है, करना ही है.
Yeah.